Today, I'm looking at a Barbie backpack with an accessory kit included. I have a special guest here with me that's going to talk about everything that's in here.
A little bit. And this bag, during centuries are in here.
Oh, the accessories are in here.
No, they're in this backpack.
Oh, they're in the backpack. Okay, so let's put this over here. Let's go
With
over
this
everything in
is
here.
open.
Let's keep it over here so the camera can see everything.
All right.
Perfect.
And zipping. And it came with this pretty dress that you can
Let me
wear
see it.
on.
Let me see that. Oh, that's very pretty, actually. Look at that.
Yep.
Yep, I love that.
It kind of looks like you can wear on school.
Yep.
Now let's see what else is in here. A tablet.
Oh, I love that tablet. Let's show the camera the tablet.
Yep.
Here we go.
And it came with this little
Oh, so,
keychain.
it's the keychain with the B on it for Barbie. That's her initial, right? Yep, I love that.
And
Put that
let me
right
show
here.
you this. Let me get
What
it
else do we
out.
have?
A
What is that?
pencil.
That's a pencil. Comes
Or
with
a pen.
pencil or a pen. Okay.
And it comes with these red glasses.
These red, cool glasses. Look at these glasses. Look at the detail in these glasses. They are
Yeah.
awesome.
And then you get the
What
next
else is in here?
one. A little notebook. That's
Oh,
pretty cute.
a notebook. Yeah, you never know if you want to make a journal or write down something in a book, right?
And there's one more thing that's
one more
in here.
thing.
It's a pink cup.
Oh, is that like a cup, right?
Yep.
Okay, that's a little
And
cup in
that's
here.
all what's in there.
And then the actual, can we show the backpack?
Yep.
Let's get a nice close-up of it.
And on the back of it, it kind of looks like jelly pink. See that you can see your fingers through here?
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. It's like see-through.
Yeah, see-through.
Oh.
You can see all the stuff wherever you put in there.
And then you can put everything in here, and it has a zipper.
Yep.
And it says Barbie on
Yep.
the side.
Yep.
And you can put everything back in here. Well, that is fantastic. I think this is a beautiful gift. I think it's fantastic. What do you think?
And don't forget, you are worth it.
You are worth it. And don't forget to follow our channel for more, right?
Yep.
And thanks for watching.
You are worth it. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.